Dear students, today we are going to do a very important question from your syllabus. The title of a chameleon. So you have to be just very aware that this question is very important. First of all, we have to tell about the name of the writer, of the author. So I'm starting this question like this. The story of a chameleon by Anton Chekhov under the title is quite appropriate. So first of all, you have to tell that the title of this story is quite appropriate, okay, suitable. Then you have to tell about what chameleons are. Chameleons are species that have the ability to camouflage, to change according to the situation and environment, okay, that you all know. In this story, attitude of police superintendent Ocham Yalov is compared with a chameleon. He also changes his attitudes depending on each situation. He has a wavering mind. The story begins with Hurricane, the goldsmith, yelling and moaning in the marketplace, chasing a dog. Later, he grabs her legs, and all the village people gather around him. Ocham Yellow sees all this, and when he comes close to Hurricane, he sees that Hurricane was holding his right hand in the air and revealing a bleeding finger to the crowd like a flag of victory. The dog is between the crowd. The dog in between the crowd has an expression of terror and misery in her fearful eyes. So, till now, we have done that. We are to tell about the name of the writer, name of the chapter, and then we are to tell about whether the title is appropriate or not. We are to say that the title is quite appropriate. Then we are to start doing about the story, and we have to actually tell here about the story because when Ocham Yalov changes his mind, he has a mindset. When he takes the side of Hurricane and when he takes the side of the dog, we have to tell the story why he takes the side of a particular person. That's why we are to just tell here the story. Hurricane tells the police superintendent that he hadn't done anything wrong to the dog. He was walking about firewood, and at the time the dog came and bit in his finger, on his finger. Here Ocham Yellow supports Hurricane, okay, saying that this case should be sorted as soon as possible. The owner of the dog has to be found. He has to file a report against them, and the dog has to be strangled as soon as possible. Here in this, we can see that Ocham Yellow is supporting Hurricane. Next, one person from the crowd says that the dog belongs to General Zegalovs. Now, Ocham Yellow changes his attitude, okay, and supports the dog. He turns again. Now we have to tell how he changes his attitude. He turns against Hurricane and asks him to be careful. He also adds that he is lying and he is trying to act smart. Now in this, we can see how Ocham Yellow changes its attitude like a chameleon. He is so opportunist, means he is a opportunist person. He changes his attitude depending on the situation. Now we are just advocating our point of view that Ocham Yellow is a wrong person. He is a chameleon like person. He changes his mind from time to time. Now the police officer said that it is not Journal's dog. When the superintendent comes to know that it was not Journal's dog, he supports Hurricane. This clearly shows that police superintendent is a corrupt person. So there was a lot of confusion whether it was Journal's dog or not. So according to the situation, superintendent also changed his attitude like a chameleon. Okay, here we are summing up. When he comes to know that it was not Journal dog, he supported Hurricane, and whenever he comes to know that it was Journal's dog, he supported Journal. At the end of the story, the police officer came to know that it was Journal's brother's dog. Again, he changed his opinion, praising the dog and threatening Hurricane. He left the scene commenting that it is not a bad pup and it is lively creature. So now we have to make a concluding paragraph and in that concluding paragraph we are to just support what we have written. So we can clearly say that the title is apt to depict the behavior of the police superintendent. That is the way. So you can add or subtract the words according to your choice. This is how we are to write the title. Thank you very much.